Brenda Craig here for Henry Ford Health System. We're here at the Emagine Theater in Royal Oak for the red carpet premiere of our new video series, My Why, featuring some amazing team members.
So tonight was really amazing. We got to see 6 individuals share amazing stories of compassion, innovation, respect, love, trust, caring. We got to see, frankly, the heart and soul of Henry Ford Health System tonight. So it was just an amazing event.
I've always known that we are in the company of spectacular people, and it was nice to see that. Love can be a small and simple thing, and yet it can be profound in how another person receives it. In giving it, I get so much more in return.
I think that seeing our stories could inspire. People tend to live out of their feelings, and if we can touch someone's emotions, that produces change.
I'm so happy and proud to work for a health system that has such amazing employees that truly care about their jobs.
I am honored to be with all these stars. I know there's 6 today, but I think we have hundreds of stars that need to be here.
This is a great opportunity for the health system to show that we value our fellow employees, and maybe some part of sharing our stories will help them feel more inspired.
Our stories are similar. It's still the same thing. It's love, it's compassion, it's respect, it's innovation, it's everything that we're trying to promote.
The My Why video series debuts September 3rd. We'll release a new video every 3 weeks. You can find the video links on One Henry. We encourage you to watch, share, and comment.